Welcome to online lecture series by Seth Vidya Mandir English High School Junior College of Commerce and Science. Welcome students, I am Miss Alka Chaube taking class 10 subject algebra, and here I am explaining chapter 5, that is probability. So let us see the practice set 5.1. In practice set 5.1 students, I consider the question number 2 initially, and in the question number 2 students, you can see any day of a week is to be selected randomly. It means students, we have to select any days of the week randomly. So you know it very well students. Here we have to understand how many days present in a week first. So you know it very well, the days are 7 days are present in a week, and we have to select the days randomly here. So students, let us see the solution of question number 2, and the solution is here. We have to find out days of week randomly. So how to write days of week students? So initially we can write the sample space. The sample space can be denoted by capital S is equal to curly bracket, or inside of curly bracket we have to write the days of week, because all 7 days of week we can write, and any days outcomes we will get. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And then curly bracket is closed here, and then n of s, it means the number of sample space is 7. So when we go for the random week, so we know it, the total number of weeks are 7 here. The third question is about when we shuffled a pack of 52 cards. So you know it very well students, in the previous video we have how many cards? 52 cards, and after that 52 cards is divided in 26 and 26. So here it's talking about the pack of full card. So how to write the sample space? S is equal to curly bracket 1 2 3 comma dash 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 comma 52. Yes students, we are not supposed to write all numbers. It means we are not supposed to write numbers from 1 to 52. We can write a little bit number, and then we can make it the comma, and we can write the last number of that card. So here we have the sample space, and you know it very well, we have 52 cards. So numbers calculation is here, the counting of number is 52. So the number of sample space is 52 here. And in question number 4 students, we have to select any card, and the number of the card is start from 10 to 20. It means we have to select the number from 10 to 20. So students, how can write the sample space? So S is equal to curly bracket, we can start the number from 10, because students you can see here it is mentioned number from 10 to 20. It means number should be start from 10. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And the last is 20 here, so we can stop here 20, close the curly bracket. So when we count all the numbers possibilities, so here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So here we are getting the number of sample space is 11 here. So this is the 3 examples, and this all 3 example is based on students exercise of practice set 5.1. and after that students, we can see the next exercise of practice set, that is 5.2. So welcome back students, let us go for the practice set 5.2, or in this practice set let us go for the question number 1 students. Or in the question number 1 we have to write the sample space and number of sample space, and the condition is when the first condition, the 1 coin and 1 dice are thrown simultaneously. So we have to write the sample space and number of sample space. And the second condition, when 2 digit numbers form using without repeating, number is 2 3 and 5. So here students, in practice set 5.2, let us go for the solution, and here we are taking question number 1. And in the question number 1 students, the condition is 1 coin and 1 dice are thrown simultaneously. So here we have to find out sample space and number of sample space. And here we have the condition when 1 coin and 1 dice are thrown simultaneously. And then what would be the sample space here? So the sample space is equal to, inside of curly bracket, 1 coin and 1 dice. So we know it very well, the die is having how many numbers and how many possibility of sample space. The number inside should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when we have one coin cases, so we have the outcomes head or tail. So students, always remember, when we have this condition, the head and tail should always with all die numbers. So here 1 head, 1 tail, 2 head, 2 tail, 3 head, 3 tail, 4 head, 4 tail, 5 head, 5 tail, 6 head, 6 tail. So it means students, here we have the number of possibility is 12 here, because coin and die are thrown simultaneously. Let us go for the next condition. And in this condition, the 2-digit numbers form using digit 2, 3, 5 without repeating. It means students, in this question, we have to make this 2, 3, 5 number in 2-digit number. But when we are making in 2-digit number, students, because this is present in single digit, when we are making in 2-digit, this number should not be repeat without repeating. So how to ready the sample space of this? So S is equal to inside of curly bracket. So we can start like this. If we can start the first number, that is 2, and when we take this 2 number is with 3 numbers, so 2, 3, that is 23, 2, 5, 25, then 2, 3 and 25 process is over here. Then we can take 3 numbers, 3, 2, 32, 3, 5, 35. Then after 5, 2, 52, 5, 3, 53. So in this way, students, you can see this all numbers are here in 2 digits form, but they are not repeating here. So here the possibility of the cases are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here n of s is 6 here, students. So let us focus on the question number 4. And here the solution of question number 4 is, in this question, students, we have the condition in the community, we have 2 boys. So the 2 boys condition B1 comma B2, and we have 2 girls. The condition is G1 comma G2, and the committee of 2 boys. So in the bracket inside we can write 2 boys, so B1 B2, 2 girls G1 G2. And in the C condition, students, the committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. So it means we can connect 1 boy and 1 girl together. So we know it very well, B1, B2, G1, G2. So first we can take B1, G1 together. You can see here. Then after B1, G2. Then B2, G1 and B2, G2. So in this way we can make the pair like the previous example. The pair should not be repeat here. Again I am repeating B1 G1, so it's here. Again B1 with G2, so it's here, because 1 boy and 1 girl, and it is not repeating here. B1 is with G1, then B1 is with G2, then B2 is with G1, and B2 is with G2 here. So how to go for the sample space? So sample space S is equal to curly bracket B1 G1, B1 G2, B2 G1 here. And then after, students, it is B2 G2, and the curly bracket is closed, and here the number of sample space is 4. So this is the solution of this question number 4, students.